Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. We'll be diving deep into the world of collagen-boosting drinks and how they can work wonders for your skin. But before we get started, if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's jump right in. To fully appreciate the power of collagen-boosting drinks, let's first understand what collagen is. Collagen is a protein that acts as the building block for our skin, hair, nails, and even joints. It's responsible for maintaining our skin's elasticity and strength. Unfortunately, as we age, our collagen production naturally decreases, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. This is where collagen-boosting drinks come in. They can help stimulate collagen production, keeping your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Natural sources of collagen. Let's explore some natural sources of collagen. One of the richest sources is bone broth, made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues. Fish, especially types like salmon, are also packed with collagen. Even chicken skin can provide a boost. These natural sources are great additions to your diet, but we'll be focusing on drinks that incorporate these ingredients in delicious and convenient ways. The top 7 collagen-boosting drinks. Without further ado, let's dive into the top 7 collagen-boosting drinks that can revitalize your skin. First on our list is the green smoothie. And it's not just any ordinary drink. It's a green elixir of radiance. Imagine sipping on a glass filled with vibrant shades of green, like a sip of liquid sunshine. These smoothies are an embodiment of health and beauty, packed with leafy greens like spinach and kale. But what makes them truly special is their rich content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work harmoniously to support collagen production. Picture this. Each sip floods your body with essential nutrients, nourishing your skin from within, and helping you achieve that coveted youthful glow. And that's not all. Green smoothies offer a refreshing way to start your day, like a crisp morning breeze for your taste buds. With their invigorating flavors and a surge of revitalizing energy, they set the perfect tone for a vibrant and productive day ahead. So why wait? Dive into the world of green smoothies and let your inner radiance shine through. Drink 2. Berry Blast Shake. Now prepare to be tantalized by our next superstar. The Berry Blast Shake. Imagine a symphony of colors and flavors dancing in a single glass, ready to awaken your taste buds. This shake isn't just a beverage, it's a vibrant celebration of nature's bounty. What sets this shake apart is its star-studded lineup of berries: succulent strawberries, luscious blueberries, and tart raspberries. These tiny powerhouses are loaded with vitamin C, a key player in the intricate symphony of collagen synthesis. As you sip on this delectable creation, you're not just treating your palate to a delightful burst of sweetness and tartness. No, you're giving your skin a collagen-boosting punch that can make you feel like you've just visited a spa for your skin. The Berry Blast Shake isn't just a tasty treat, it's a beauty elixir in disguise. It's like a secret weapon in your quest for youthful, radiant skin. So indulge in the sweet extravagance of berries and let your skin thank you for this flavorful journey towards a more beautiful you. Drink 3. The Citrus Delight. If you're among those who find pure joy in the zesty embrace of citrus fruits, get ready to be smitten by our third contender, the Citrus Delight. This drink is like a sunny day in a glass, an explosion of citrusy splendor that will make your taste buds dance. Imagine savoring the invigorating tang of oranges, the zingy freshness of lemons, and the slightly bittersweet notes of grapefruits all coming together in perfect harmony. Each sip is a burst of sunshine, awakening your senses and bringing a smile to your face. But this drink is not just about delightful flavors. It's a beauty elixir in disguise. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are loaded with vitamin C. And here's the magic: vitamin C is like the conductor of the collagen symphony within your body. It promotes collagen production, helping your skin retain its youthful elasticity and radiance. So as you sip on the Citrus Delight, you're not just enjoying a refreshing beverage. You're giving your skin the gift of a radiant glow. It's like a little burst of sunshine for your complexion, making you feel as vibrant as the citrus groves themselves. Indulge in this Citrus Delight and let your skin shine with the luminosity of 1,000 suns. Drink 4. Coconut Elixir. Now let's embark on a tropical journey with our next drink, the Coconut Elixir. Close your eyes and imagine a sip of paradise. This elixir is a blend of nature's finest offerings, combining the hydrating power of coconut water with the silky richness of coconut milk. Picture yourself on a pristine, sun-kissed beach surrounded by swaying palm trees and the soothing sound of ocean waves. That's the essence of the coconut elixir, a tropical treat that transports you to a state of pure bliss with every sip. Coconut water, often referred to as nature's sports drink, is packed with electrolytes and minerals that keep you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. And when it mingles with the creamy embrace of coconut milk, you get a symphony of flavors that's nothing short of divine. But here's the beauty secret hidden within this elixir. Coconut water and coconut milk work together to hydrate your skin from the inside out. They provide the essential building blocks your skin needs to stay moisturized, plump, and radiant. It's like a spa day for your skin, delivered in a glass. So when you indulge in the coconut elixir, you're not just sipping on a delicious tropical beverage. You're nourishing your skin, keeping it hydrated, and giving it that alluring, dewy glow. It's the taste of the tropics and the essence of beauty in one delightful package. Cheers to the coconut elixir, where hydration meets indulgence. Drink 5. Bone broth. Now, let's explore number 5 on our list, the illustrious bone broth. If you've been searching for a collagen-rich elixir that's as wholesome as it is beneficial, look no further. Bone broth is not just a drink. It's a nourishing treasure trove for your body and a powerful ally for your skin's health. As we mentioned earlier, bone broth is like nature's collagen serum. It's created by simmering animal bones and connective tissues, extracting every ounce of goodness they have to offer. This simmering process transforms these humble ingredients into a collagen-rich superfood. But bone broth is more than just collagen. It's a hearty, comforting beverage that warms your soul as it nourishes your body. Imagine sipping on a steaming cup of liquid comfort, feeling it travel through your body, soothing and replenishing it with each sip. But here's the beauty secret hidden within this humble elixir. As you sip on bone broth, you're not just nourishing your body, you're also providing it with the tools it needs to support your skin's health from the inside out. It's like giving your skin a daily dose of love and care. So, whether you enjoy it as a cozy cup in the evening or incorporate it into your daily routine, bone broth is a fantastic way to support your skin's health. It's the beauty secret that's been simmering for generations, waiting for you to unlock its potential. So let the warmth of bone broth embrace you, and let your skin thank you for this timeless elixir. Drink 6. Almond Joy Smoothie. For all the almond and coconut enthusiasts out there, brace yourselves for a delightful treat, our Almond Joy Smoothie. If you've ever savored the decadent pleasure of an Almond Joy candy bar, this is a dream come true in a glass. Close your eyes and imagine the luxurious richness of almond milk mingling with the exotic allure of coconut. It's like a tropical vacation for your taste buds. A symphony of flavors that dance across your palate. But here's where the magic happens. This smoothie isn't just about indulgence. It's also about boosting your collagen. Almond milk is a dairy-free source of nutrients that supports your skin's health, while coconut brings its own array of benefits, from hydration to healthy fats. And let's not forget the hint of chocolate. Chocolate isn't just a guilty pleasure. It's a mood-lifting, soul-soothing indulgence that can make every day feel like a special occasion. Plus, it contains antioxidants that can help protect your skin from environmental stressors. So as you savor the Almond Joy Smoothie, you're not just treating yourself to a delicious, guilt-free pleasure. You're also giving your skin the gift of nourishment and collagen support. It's like a little slice of paradise that enhances your inner and outer beauty. So whether you enjoy it for breakfast or as an afternoon pick-me-up, let the Almond Joy Smoothie be your daily reminder that taking care of your skin can be as delicious as it is rewarding. Indulge in the joy and let your skin radiate with delight. Drink 7. Turmeric Tonic. As we move down our list, we arrive at a true gem, the Turmeric Tonic. If you appreciate the marvels of Mother Nature and her ability to heal, this one's for you. Turmeric, the golden spice, takes center stage in this captivating elixir. Close your eyes and imagine a vibrant, golden liquid swirling in a glass, radiating warmth and vitality. That's the Turmeric Tonic for you, a drink that embodies not just flavor but centuries of healing wisdom. Turmeric is celebrated worldwide for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. It's like nature's soothing balm, taming the flames of inflammation that can age your skin prematurely. And what's fascinating is that turmeric doesn't just promote collagen production. It also helps protect the collagen you already have. As you take a sip of this golden delight, you're not just enjoying a beverage, you're embracing a tradition that's been cherished for generations. Turmeric has been used in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine for its myriad benefits. And this tonic encapsulates the essence of that wisdom. But this isn't just about wellness. It's also about a vibrant, aromatic journey for your senses. The turmeric tonic offers an earthy, slightly spicy note, balanced by a subtle sweetness. It's like sipping on liquid sunshine, a golden elixir that warms your heart and your skin. So let the turmeric tonic be your daily ritual, a reminder that taking care of your skin can be as enriching as it is beneficial. Every sip is a step towards a more radiant, ageless you. So raise your glass to the golden magic of turmeric and let your skin bask in its timeless glow. And there you have it, our top 7 collagen-boosting drinks that can help you achieve glowing, youthful skin. Remember, consistency is key, so incorporate these into your daily routine for the best results. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Also, if you'd like to explore even more tips and resources on skin health and collagen, visit my Etsy shop linked in the description below. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay beautiful, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.